So for my estim video, I decided to read an article on the effect of high voltage pulse current on recovery after grade 1 and grade 2 lateral ankle sprains. So a little bit of background. Obviously, ankle sprains are super common super common injury in like any sport, and so that's kind of why the background of it. The purpose of the study was to determine whether adding heavy continuous subsensory electrical stimulation for the first 72 hours after the lateral ankle sprain affects the rate of recovery of competition level function in collegiate and professional athletes. So in this study it was randomized. They started with 65 athletes, both male and female, split up into two groups. However, as the study went on, it was narrowed down to 50 due to 3 with fractures, 1 being a minor, and a couple other people just didn't complete the study. So the measurement didn't really say much. It said time of injury to declare fit to play. There wasn't any study. The p-values for the grade 1 ankle sprain was 0.049, and for the p-value for the grade 2 ankle sprains was 0.079. So the results showed that the application of subsensory HVPC had no clinically meaningful effect to return to play, and the p-value for that was 0.155. So overall, time lost to injuries was not different between the treated and the controlled group. They healed the same. So I guess for clinical applications, the best advice that I could do as a future clinician would be case by case. So if a patient had a good history with using stim on a previous injury, or I've done it for them in the past and they really had some positive effects, then I would probably consider it in the early stages of their healing for this type of injury. But it would just depend, like I said, case by case. So I guess for critiques and future studies, the effect of the HVPC on other acute injuries, like maybe soft tissue, such as like a hamstring strain or a quad strain, or different, soft tissue injuries. And then critiques would be a different measurement besides just fit to return to play, like a better description of maybe, a functional test or a pro, or something a little bit more, subjective and objective, so that they can figure out what they need to, consider doing for the future. And these are my references.